Good morning, students. Today onwards, I am going to start the revisions. Okay? The third time syllabus is lesson 12 onwards now. The name of the 12th lesson is the Northeastern States. The Northeastern states of India are quite small. They include the 7 sister states. The 7 sister states are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. These are the 7 sister states. Including Sikkim, they are called 8 sisters. If you are including Sikkim also, then they are called 8 sisters. Firstly, Sikkim. First I want to teach Sikkim. Sikkim is a very small mountainous state. Its capital is Gangtok. Gangtok is the center of Sikkim tourism industry. Sikkim has 4 districts and population is 6 lakh. It is the least populous state of India. Sikkim is the least populous state of India. Its language is Bhutia, Nepali and Lepcha. Most of the people are Buddhist people. Then about Arunachal Pradesh. Briefly I am explaining, once I told, that is why I am explaining briefly, you have to listen carefully. Arunachal Pradesh capital is Itanagar and its population is around 1.3 million. Its bordering states are Assam and Nagaland. The main languages are Manji, Aka and Wanchu. These are about the Arunachal Pradesh. Now Assam. Dispur is the capital of Assam. Assam's capital is Dispur. It has 33 districts and population is around 33 million. Its bordering states are Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. These are its neighboring states. The main language is Assamese. Assam is known for jute and tea plantation. Guwahati is the biggest city of Assam and it is known as the Light of the East. Assam's main festival is Bihu. Then Meghalaya. You know what is the meaning of word Meghalaya? The word Meghalaya means the abode of clouds or the home of clouds. Meghalaya, home of clouds. Meghalaya's capital is Shillong and it has 11 districts and population is around 3.2 million. The languages spoken here are English, Kashi and Garo. Its capital Shillong is a beautiful hill station and it is called the Scotland of the East. Shillong is known as the Scotland of the East. Then Manipur. Its capital is Imphal. Manipur's capital is Imphal and it has 16 districts and population is around 2.7 million. Its bordering states are Assam, Mizoram and Nagaland. The main language is Manipuri. Manipur's main language is Manipuri. Then now Mizoram. You know which is the capital of Mizoram? Its capital is Aizawl. It has 8 districts and population is around 1.1 million. Its bordering states are Tripura, Assam and Manipur. Its neighboring states, bordering states are Tripura, Assam and Manipur. And the languages are English and Mizo. Two languages are there, that is English and Mizo. These are the main languages. Then about Nagaland. It is a mountainous state and its capital is Kohima. It has 11 districts and population is around 2.3 million. It shares its borders with the state of Manipur, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. The main languages of Nagaland are Ao, Sema, Lotha, etc. Then the last state, that is Tripura. That is the seven sister state, last one, Tripura. Its capital is Agartala and it has 8 districts and population is around 3.7 million. Tripura's capital is Agartala and 8 districts it has. Its bordering states are Mizoram and Assam and the main language is Bengali. Tripura's main language is Bengali. So see that exercise and all, please look at that. Which state is not included in the 7 sister states? Sikkim, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. Which one is not included in the 7 sister state? That is Sikkim. If the question comes like that, you have to pick out the right answer and write it properly in the examination. Sikkim. Just put the question number and write Sikkim. Then see the second question. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Then third one. The largest city of Assam is Guwahati. B. Guwahati. Then fourth one. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Meghalaya, Tripura, Manipur, Mizoram it is written, but Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Meghalaya's capital is Shillong. Then answer the following questions. 4 questions are there. Which language are spoken in Arunachal Pradesh? What is Meghalaya known for? With which states does Manipur shares its borders? Name some rivers that flow in Tripura. All of you write the right thing, all of you written the question answer now. Then fill in the blanks. The capital of Sikkim is dash. During the examination, you have to just write the answer. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. You have to write Gangtok. The second one, the Brahmaputra river enters India through Arunachal Pradesh. Dash receives plenty of rainfall, that is Meghalaya. Meghalaya means the home of what is that? Clouds. That is home of clouds. So Meghalaya receives plenty of rainfall. Then fourth one, Cherrapunji and Maisunmar are in dash. That is in Meghalaya. Then write true or false. During the examination, some of you are writing just T or just F. If it is true, you have to write TRUE. Full word you have to write. Don't write T, don't write F like that. You have to write full word. That is, if it is true, you have to write TRUE. And if it is false, you have to write FALSE. Okay. Then see that Sikkim is the least populous state of India. That is true or false? That is true now. So you have to write true. Then Dispur is the capital of Assam. That is also true. You have to write TRUE, true. Then third one. Assam spreads over an area of 50,000 square kilometer. That is false. That is a false answer. Then fourth one, Dharmanagar is a city of Nagaland. That is also false. You have to write FALSE, false. Then last question. Agartala is the capital of Tripura. That is true. You have to write true. So today you have to learn the lesson 12's full read the lesson once, and you have to learn tick the correct option, question answer, fill in the blanks, and true or false. Okay. So one by one lessons I will teach. Today one lesson is over, that is the 12th lesson. You have to learn these portions nicely so that you have to get very good mark. And you will have the map work also. About the map work, the rivers. You have to learn the river. Which lesson it is about the river? Lesson 19, major rivers of India. No, you have to learn the Yamuna, where it is from, where it starts. This also you have to write. See in the page number 110. Ganga, the map is given. From where it starts: Ganga, Yamuna, Indus, Narmada, Krishna, Kaveri. You have to learn this one. Okay. The Ganga, Yamuna, Narmada, Krishna, Kaveri, and Indus, Brahmaputra. This you have to learn on page number 110. It is given the map work. And more than that, the physical divisions also you have to learn. The Himalayas, the northern plains, and the peninsular plateau. The physical divisions, it is given in the page number 104.